Hello guys, today I'm up to something special. I'm going to repair a ceiling fan at my grandparents' house. I'll show you. Hello? Now I just have my bag of supplies right here. It's got all kinds of supplies in it. Has two kinds of screwdrivers, oil, voltage meter, and other stuff. Okay, now we borrowed my papa's truck, or should I say, for comedy, stole. Okay, so we'll see you guys. We'll see you there.
Smells like somebody's been smoking in this truck.
It does. Okay. Okay, so I was playing Pokemon Go for a little bit, and my mom's trying to catch up to us, and we're almost at the church. Just have to make it through this traffic light. Let's see, Mom has not caught up to us yet. Let's see how Dad's doing.
Any Pokestops around here? You're playing Pokemon Go?
You really got the comedy for my videos.
Look at all the Fords.
Wow, there's a big sale at the Ford dealer.
Which one do you like the best? The Mustang, the F-150?
Wow, I saw a bright yellow Mustang. Oh
There's
no.
Nissans over here.
Yeah, Nissan and Mazda are
Lincolns.
just right over here.
There's some Lincolns.
Okay, Nissan and Mazda. We're just passing by. Wow, Nissan redid their used car lot. Okay, we're just arriving. Great, we got another red light.
Got plenty of time to get there.
I know we've got plenty of time, but I always like to say, great, another red light when there's a red light.
What are they going to build in there?
I don't know. Just that the basketball hoops are still sitting there, and the construction company is still there because they're working on the parking lot. My church is going through lots of changes.
Changes.
Yes, changes. And here we are.
At the church. Changes. I better just park right here so we don't get in trouble.
Yeah, just park right here.
Should I wait a minute for Mom or send you up to...
Send me up.
Alright.
Okay, guys, we'll see you later. My door's still locked. See you later. Okay, so we're just out of church.
Let this truck go first.
Okay, let's let the truck go first.
Take some of these notes off.
Yes, let's take some of the notes off. Well, today,
You get the ones on this side, you get the ones on that.
today everyone from Scoop wrote encouraging notes on cars. So this one has the most. This one in the door handle right here was written by me. Okay, so we'll see you there. Okay, first we're returning the truck. Then I'm gonna get in my mom's car and head off. Okay, so this is the fan.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna get started. Okay, guys, the fan is apart, and we discovered that it was just really dirty. Look inside the housing. Man, I just washed the blades. They're nice and clean. And the globe looks just fine. And this is the motor. That's pretty dirty. So we're just gonna clean this and put it back together and see how it sounds. Okay, guys, this fan is now fixed.
Okay.
Now let me just turn it back on again.
All
To
right.
show you guys.
Hello.
As you can see, it is now working.